Construction cash flow tutorial, master cash flow. Most construction projects don't fail because of your poor engineering. They fail because of the cash flow. Now, a project can be pretty profitable on paper and still collapse in real life. Why? Because money does not arrive when it's needed. Materials need to be paid upfront, workers expect salaries on time, and subcontractors don't wait politely. And clients are often going to pay late. So even if a project is profitable, poor cash flow can choke it completely. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to construction cash flow actually works, how to calculate it, and how to manage like a professional contractor or project manager. And by the end, you will understand how to keep your project financially alive from start to finish. So let's get into it. Now, cash flow is the movement of money in and out of a project over time. In construction, it has two sides to it. First of all, there is cash in, which is payments from clients, progress billing, milestone payments, retention releases. Then there's cash out, which is materials, labor, equipment, subcontractors, overheads. The timing difference between these two is where most problems are going to begin. Now, you can be pretty profitable, but still run out of cash. That is pretty much the key idea. Now, profit is going to tell you if a project is successful overall. Cash flow is going to tell you if you can survive day to day. Now, a project might look like this, where you have a total profit of 20%, but cash flow might go ahead and look like month 2 could be a negative balance, month 3 could be a severe shortage, month 4 could be recovery. So if you run out of cash in month 2, the project stops before the profit even matters. Now that is why cash flow is much more important than profit in construction operations. Now, construction cash flow is pretty much all about your timing. You rarely get paid immediately after spending money. The typical pattern is going to be spend the money first, wait for the progress approval, submit invoices, wait for your payments, receive cash later. Now, this delay creates a financial gap called cash flow lag. Managing this lag is a key to survival. Every project follows the same structure. It has mobilization, setup, equipment, and permits. Now, that structure is obviously known as the general initial costs, okay? And it is really important to understand that as so. Then we move over to the second structure, which is ongoing costs, which is your labor, materials, subcontractors. Then we move over to the third structure, which is progress payments, client payments based on work completed. Then we have the fourth structure, which is final payment, which is retention release after completion. So your job is to ensure cash inflows match or exceed outflows at all times. Now, a basic cash flow table is going to look something like this. So you're going to have in your month how much you spent and how much you received. Okay. Now you're going to calculate the net cash flow, which is the inflow minus the outflow, and it gives you a clear monthly picture. A cumulative cash flow shows your running balance. So the example could be, your month 1, month 2, month 3, etc. Now this is pretty important because it shows when you go negative how deep the deficit actually is, when the recovery happens, and if cumulative cash flows get too negative, your project is going to need refreshing. So basically, a healthy cash flow is going to have signs of positive cumulative recovery, stable monthly inflows, controlled expenses, predictable billing, and low reliance on debt. Now, if these are present, the project is financially quite stable. So, a construction cash flow is not just accounting, it is literally survival strategy. A project without cash flow control is like a machine running without fuel management. It may look fine, but it suddenly stops. So the key lessons are pretty simple. Time matters more than totals. Cash flow beats profit in real operations, and planning prevents financial stress. So, combining all of these things will lead to a better cash flow for your construction, and it will lead to a much more optimized experience. Now, this is the thing about constructional cash flows. Basically, they are going to be full flows that are going to give you the most realistic analytical insights and reportings. And of course, it is a good template and regimen to follow for yourself. And the reason for that is because these things are going to allow you to have proper functionality and sectioning of a well structured payment flow. Because in most cases, workings like these, like a construction cash flow, are going to lead you to, of course, have a lot of repercussions and a lot of, setbacks. And the reason for that is because whenever you're running a high duty business that has a lot of raw material come in, raw material go out, a lot of workers and a lot of paychecks to work around with, a lot of clients to work around with, there's a lot of cash inflow and cash outflow. And of course, you do need to make sure to have a proper idea of what you are working with. So of course, to keep a proper, check on that and a proper lookout on that, a cash flow is extremely important. And this whole video is based on how you can appropriately set yourself with a proper cash flow and give yourself a proper, you could say, subsidiary flow of a use. Now, basically, you can create these cash flows on Excel if you want to, or you can go ahead and create pre-made templates, or even use AI to help you create those for yourself. But yeah, that's the main idea of a construction cash flow. All right. It's really useful and it keeps everything streamlined. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I am going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.